Hi, my name is Peter. Welcome to the video of the Abbey Fullstack challenge. Here is my package.json file, and here are some of the dependencies that I used. Prisma ORM to interact with my PostgreSQL database. I also have Express server, TypeScript, Redis database to save the session because this is the best practice. And I use TS Node to help me watch my application while development, and UUID to create some random IDs during the application, including cars, and bcrypt to help hash the password. So I'm gonna head over to my command line and type mtn stat. So Redis database is connected, PostgreSQL is connected, and the server is running on port 8082. Now let me head over to the Postman and register a new user. I have some couple of users registered, but I'm gonna add some new ones. I'm going to register Bill Gates at gmail.com, and his password is 123456. So Bill Gates has been registered, so I can go ahead to log in with Bill Gates. And his password is 123456. Send, and you are logged in. You can see this email is billgates@gmail.com, and basically I am returning just few information here to show you that I'm not actually getting the user data from the login. It's actually coming from the session. So now if you get the user information and click on it, you'll see that you get the full information. His friends currently is empty. Friends of those who are friends of him, followers, those who is following, and those who are following him. So this is how I sort of arrange the relationship between the user, friends, and followers. So Bill Gates has been registered, and we can see that his friends and data are all empty. So let me register some couple more people to test out the friendship relationship. So I'm gonna head over to registration, and I'll register Rihanna Smith. Rihanna Smith at gmail.com. Smith at gmail.com. So Rihanna Smith has been entered, and I'll go with Will Smith this time around. Will Smith. Oh, William Crocs. William Crocs. So I have registered 2. So let me make it like up to 3 or 4 individuals to test out this friendship and how they all relate. Tupac Shakur, at gmail.com, and Peter Ihimire and peterihimire@gmail.com. I have to register myself too. So right now I have registered. So let me log into Ihimire, and boom, I'm logged in. So let me go to my get user information. Now this whole thing is making use of cookies, because if you should come over to the cookies, you'll see the session ID, and that is where the information of the user is saved inside of the Redis. So if we should head over to Redis CLI, we happen to, I'm already logged in, get all. Let me increase it a little bit more. Get all. Sorry, keys. I was supposed to use keys. I'm doing get all. So let's use the last one. I don't know who. Get. So this is for Florence now. Let me take the first one. Get this. Peter Okoye. Well, let me just flush all and log in Peter again. Let me check keys all. So get this. So now you can see that the whole information about me is already in my database, in my Redis. You can see my email, my password, and some of the information about the session. Same site as Lax. The user ID is number 11. The account ID is this. So definitely the session is working. So right now I am going to, and this is the database here. So I'm number 11 from what we saw here, peterihimire@gmail.com. So I'm going to add Peter and Paul Okoye as my friends with ID of 3 and 4. So I'm gonna head over to add friend API, and I add Peter, and I'm gonna add Paul. They are now my friends. So if I should go to my user information, we should see that yes, Paul and Peter has been added as my friends. Now let me say I want to follow Tupac and Rihanna Smith. Tupac is 10, Rihanna Smith is 8. So I'll head over to add followers. Add Tupac first, and Rihanna Smith is 8. Now if I should head over to my get user information, I'll see that yeah, I'm following Tupac, and I'm also following Rihanna Smith. So this is how I implemented the relationship. Now if I should log into Rihanna's account, definitely I am going to see myself in her friend self, in her following. Yeah. So let's head over and log into Rihanna Smith. When I log in and I get user information, yeah, following. So Peter Ihimire is already following um, Rihanna. So that is how the relationship goes. And I can also log out. And once I'm logged out, I can no longer access any information here. So not authorized to access resource, invalid or expired session. So this is the part of the code that is handling that session. That is validating the session. It's within middleware, then verify session. So the error you just saw, not authorized access resource, invalid or expired session, is actually coming from here, verify session and authorization. And you can see that I am getting the user's information from request a session. So this is how I am handling my session here. So this is done, and let me head over and show you how it's actually working on the front end. So I will head over to the front end, and the server is still running. The server is still running, and head over to the front end and click npm start. So here I am at the front end, and let me try to log in. Peter Ihimire, and my password is 123456. I'm logged in. Fine, you can see that my friend list, those are added as friends, are Paul and Peter Okoye. These are my friends, and those that I'm following are Tupac and Rihanna. So the rest of information is just to beautify it, and you can see that my name is Peter Ihimire is here. My name is also here in What's on Your Mind, and you can also see my name here at the top right corner, and then you can see the logout button. So this is it. Now if Rihanna should log in, I didn't really implement the reverse of it. I just only added the friends and the followers. So let me log in, let me log out and log in Rihanna Smith at gmail.com 123456. Log in, and you'll see that Rihanna is not following anybody, did not add any follower, and has no friends, hasn't added friend to her friend list. But you can see that she's of course authenticated, and you can see her name all over the place. Then I try to log her out, and registration is also working from the front end here. So who am I going to register right now? Okay, let me register Ihimire Joseph. Ihimire Joseph at gmail.com 123456. Now account created. I'm being redirected to the login page. Ihimire Joseph and 6. Boom, I'm logged in. I don't have any friend. I don't have any followers. So, and you can see the protected routes are also working. I also have another route called profile. So if I click on profile, it's working, and all these are protected. So once I log out and try to visit profile, it wouldn't open it to redirect me to the login page. And also trying to visit the home page, same thing, I will be redirected. And also you can see that the cookies and the session for now, because I'm logged out, there is no information in local storage about me. Yeah, so let me clear these cookies and refresh. So I integrated the cookie consent, where you can accept your cookie consent, and let me try and register any person from the front end again. So this time around, I'm gonna register Beatrice in Ihimire. Beats raised in Ihimire at gmail.com. Password 123456. Registers account have been created. Then Beatrice in Ihimire at Gmail and 123456. I'm logged in, and you can see that all the data is persisting in my local storage. Now the reason I'm using local storage is because sometimes I could add more information. So session storage may not be able to carry most of all those data. So you can see they have been persisted, and if I should log out, it's cleared. And of course the network shows that it's 200 logout successful. So it clears the database and also sends an API request to auth logout. So basically this is just an overview of the application.